Hi, my name is Marie and this is Frankie. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Marilette's World. On this video, Frankie is going to do a taste test. Sit. No, go back. Sit. Wait, no, bananas. Oh, he likes bananas. Sit. Sit. Wait. Cucumber. Wait. Okay. Ooh, he likes cucumbers. Sit. Wait. Cheese. You like cheese? Oh, he likes cheese too. Sit. Wait. Lettuce. Wait. Sit. Wait. He'll eat anything. What happened? It's on the floor. Yellow bell peppers. What do you think about that? He's gonna eat. See if he likes lemons. Oh, he doesn't like lemons. Uh-oh. No? Lemons? You like lemons? Lemons? Any takers? No? Cucumbers. Lemons and cucumbers. Oh, where'd it go? There's one on the table. It's right there. Oh, you got it. Lemons still there. No lemons. No bell peppers. Sit. His favorite dog biscuit. No. Good boy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. No lemons?